All right, moving. All right, moving on from gamification, let's talk about unlocks. Now, I've put an absurd amount of time into some of the unlocks you get, so I really hope you do reach them and in the natural time as I was sharing. So let's go to the leaderboard. We already touched on this on the classroom levels module, so I'm just going to remind you lightly on what you're working towards. On every single level, you unlock a new emote. That's super cool. You could use it or not. You're totally welcome to use your own beautiful face as your profile picture. I have no issues with that if you want it to be more personal. If it's fun for you to celebrate how you move up at each level, then you can do that. For level 1, you unlock the ability to comment. On level 2, you unlock the ability to DM privately members of the community. Level 3, you unlock the ability to do your own posts. Level 4, you unlock the Moonlight live calls. Level 5, you unlock something good. Let me figure out what we unlock on level 5. It's going to come to me. You unlock personal branding and content creation. And also with all these unlocks, you get a bonus course or bonus class. Okay? And then level 6, you're going to unlock the DadBod Half Marathon program. Level 7, you'll unlock the R&D lab. Child is playing with the noisiest piece of plastic he could find. And then level 8, I'm going to laser cut something epic for you, and it will be wonderful. So those are all the perks. That's what you're working towards over time. But what you're really working towards, friend, the ultimate unlock is you finding your next. Like, that's why we're all here, to learn a new skill, find a better way to communicate the essence of who you are, to land a great job or opportunity, to transition from engineering into leadership or leadership into entrepreneurship. Everyone's trying to find their next best opportunity. All the perks at the different levels are just set up so that you stay engaged and you keep growing and you enjoy this space and you make this a great space as you engage with others. So that's the ultimate unlock, is you land the job you're looking for and you love what you do. All right, let's get our dopamine. Classroom. Home stretch, 67%, not including these ones.